Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 must-have sneakers on Amazon for 2025. Whether you're a runner, a gym enthusiast, or just someone who loves comfortable, stylish shoes, we've got something for you. These sneakers aren't just trendy, they offer top-notch performance and unbeatable comfort. If you want to stay ahead of the sneaker game in 2025, make sure to stick around till the end. These picks are ones you don't want to miss. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Joomra Men's Stylish Sneakers. We're checking out the Joomra Men's Stylish Sneakers, the perfect blend of fashion and function. These high-top, athletic-inspired shoes are designed for comfort and style. The outer material is durable leather, giving them a premium look, while the rubber sole ensures excellent grip and flexibility. The lace-up closure provides a secure fit, making them perfect for casual wear or light activities. Maintenance is a breeze. They're machine washable, so you can keep them looking fresh effortlessly. Manufactured in China, these sneakers are an affordable choice without compromising on quality. Whether you're dressing up or staying casual, these sneakers add an edge to any outfit. Check them out now and elevate your style game. Number 2. Reebok Men's BB 4500 High 2 Sneaker. Looking for the perfect mix of comfort and style? The Reebok Men's BB 4500 High 2 sneaker is a must-have. Made from 100% synthetic material, it's lightweight, durable, and machine washable for hassle-free cleaning. The rubber sole provides excellent grip and stability, whether you're playing sports, walking, or heading out casually. Designed with Reebok's signature quality, these sneakers are crafted in Vietnam, offering long-lasting performance and a sleek look. The high-top design adds ankle support while enhancing your overall style. Whether you're hitting the court or running errands, these sneakers combine functionality and aesthetics seamlessly. Don't wait. Upgrade your footwear today with the BB 4500 High 2. Number 3. LARNMERN Men's Non-Slip Work Shoes. Looking for work shoes that combine style, comfort, and safety? Meet the LARNMERN Men's Non-Slip Work Shoes, perfect for chefs, food service workers, and anyone needing reliable footwear. With rubber soles, these shoes provide excellent grip on slippery surfaces, ensuring safety during hectic shifts. The water-resistant design keeps your feet dry, while the breathable mesh outer material prevents discomfort from sweat. The lace-up closure ensures a secure fit, and when it's time to clean, these shoes are machine washable, practical, and hassle-free. Upgrade your workday with the perfect blend of durability, functionality, and style. Check the link in the description to get yours now. Number 4. SK Men's Sport Athletic Running Sneakers. Hey everyone, let's talk about the SKDOIUL Men's Sport Athletic Running Sneakers, a must-have for those who value comfort and performance. These sneakers feature a breathable mesh fabric, keeping your feet cool and comfortable even during intense activities. The lightweight design makes them perfect for running, walking, or casual outings. The sole is made of thermoplastic polyurethane (TPU), offering excellent durability, flexibility, and traction for various surfaces. Plus, maintenance is super easy. They're machine washable, so you can keep them looking and feeling fresh effortlessly. Proudly made in China, these sneakers combine quality and affordability. Whether you're hitting the gym or the streets, these shoes are a reliable choice. Check them out and step up your game today. Number 5. Adidas Men's XPLR Path Sneaker. We're talking about the Adidas Men's XPLR Path Sneaker, a versatile shoe designed for everyday comfort and urban style. These sneakers feature a durable rubber outer material paired with a rubber sole, offering excellent traction and flexibility for all your activities. The lace-up closure ensures a secure and adjustable fit, perfect for active lifestyles. As an imported product, these sneakers carry Adidas's signature quality and design, making them a reliable choice for both casual wear and light outdoor adventures. Whether you're heading to the gym, exploring the city, or just keeping it casual, the XPLR Path sneaker combines functionality and a sleek, modern look. Check them out to elevate your footwear game. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech reviews. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.